Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here's script for making a beautiful crochet handmade pink flower. Today we are diving into a fun and rewarding project, creating a beautiful handmade pink flower. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this tutorial will guide you through step by step. Materials needed. First, let's gather our materials. You shall need pink yarn, a crochet hook suitable for your yarn weight, scissors, and a yarn needle. Step number 1. Creating a slip knot. Start by making a slip knot. This will be the foundation of our crochet flower. Step number 2. Chain stitches. Next, chain 6 stitches. This forms the center ring of our flower. Step number 3. Forming the center ring. Join the chain into a ring using a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Step number 4. First round of petals. Chain 3 to start the first petal, then work 4 double crochet stitches into the center of the ring. Step number 5. Second round of petals. For the second round of petals, start in any chain 3 space from the first round. Repeat in each chain 3 space around the circle to create a second layer of petals. Step 6. Finishing off. To finish off your flower, cut the yarn leaving a tail and pull it through that loop on your hook. Use a yarn needle to weave in any loose ends. Final touches. Fluff up the petals gently to give your flower a floral look. You can also block the flower if desired, lightly steam it with an iron. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade pink crochet flower ready to embellish. Thank you so much for watching this video.